Do you remember when you first started learning how to trade? Here's some of the noob mistakes to avoid when you first start trading. Trading on Robinhood. We've all been there. You deposit $500 into a Robinhood account and YOLO some next day expiration option contracts with no idea what the you're doing. But it doesn't even matter because at the end of the day, you'll still get a fill. Buying a call instead of a put. Either you've done this before or you haven't. Unfortunately, this guy has done it. We don't know if he was just confused with the layout of Robinhood or he got attacked by a bear as he went to place his order. Thinking you've made money when you really haven't. You get a Snapchat from your friend who just transferred over to using Thinkorswim. He thinks he's up $5,000. Little does he know that the parentheses means he's down $5,000.
Oh, looky, I made $10,000. Holy shit, I made $10,000. Let's go.
Something that doesn't add up. Bro, there's parentheses around it.
Beginner's luck. We've all had that one friend who thinks he's a genius because he made $100 on his first trade. But then the next day he proceeds to blow up his entire account. I guess he should have taken the master class. When your screen looks like the solar system, if someone looks over your shoulder and says, "That's the Big Dipper," you know you f***ed up.
I need more. More indicators equal better trader. More. These are the stars right here.
Okay.
The trendline guy. You just finished watching a YouTube video tutorial on trend lines. You now make it your life's mission to fill every inch of your chart with these little red lines. Little do you know you'd be just as well off flipping a coin.
Today I'm going to be teaching you how to trade with trend lines. Behind me here we have a beautiful example of what exactly to do. We want to make sure there's exactly 2 eyes. We want a smaller smiley face in the bottom. That validates that the chart is bearish. So let's go ahead and place a trade right now and I'll show you that this strategy works. And see, that is exactly how you trade using trend lines. We just made $5,000 in a matter of seconds.
Mr. Monitors. That guy that thinks each additional monitor is going to mean 10% more profit on each trade. The more monitors you have, the better trader you'll be, right? It's just common sense. Limit orders. You see the perfect trade. You enter, you walk away from your screen. You come back an hour later, ready to lock in profit. And then you realize you placed a limit order and it never got filled. You were never in the trade in the first place. The classroom trader. We all know that one kid who was always trading in the back of class. Unfortunately, his career ended very fast when the teacher yelled pop quiz and he was stuck holding $10,000 in Tesla contracts.
Here goes. Pop quiz.
Mr. YOLO, that one guy who spends way too much time on Reddit and then is convinced he can put 100% of his portfolio on one trade. We never heard from Mr. YOLO again.
Yo, should I get flagged as PDT?
Oh.
Yo.